Hey everyone, if you want to use Instagram on your PC or laptop, so I will be showing you the best and the easiest way how we can use Instagram on our PC. This is PC Mentor and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So let's get started and how we can use it. The first easiest way is that you go to this URL, official website of the Instagram. From here you can search the Instagram, but most of the people don't want to use this method. If you go to the web store of the Windows and here search for the Instagram, and here we go, and it said this app will not work on your device. And if you see the rating of reviews of the user, it is very poor. So what we have to do next, I will be showing you the best method. Simply open new tab and click on the apps. Here you have to click on the web store. Once this open, here you have to type Instagram. And here we go. On the result to web for Instagram, click on this, and we will be using this extension. 4 lakh user using this extension, and its rating is very good. Down below they have put some illustration images, as you can see here. It's the user interface of this extension. Now add to Chrome. Click on add. Now the extension have been added to our Chrome browser. Just click on that extension and you are good to go. Make sure to pin it to the top. Now the plugin has been added and it works perfectly, as you can see. From here you can maximize the screen. It has exactly the same experience like using Instagram on your Android or iPhone or any other smartphone. And one of the best feature of this extension, you can also download videos on your device as well. In this way you can use Instagram on your laptop or PC. So it has exactly the same experience like using it on the official website. But I would suggest that this extension is best. It has the built-in option that you can also enable the dark mode on your Instagram as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Still, if you have any question regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. By the way, I reply all of the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.
तेरी आँखों का ये नशा, यहाँ खो भी जाऊँ तो मैं, क्या कसूर